Hello students, I am Likun. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today topic about electronic configuration. How to do electronic configuration. Before we make electronic configuration of element, we have to know one principle and one rule. If anyone asks you what is element, give some example name of element. Suddenly you reply that person who will ask you that question, that hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. Then comes to electronic configuration. Before know about electronic configuration, we will have to know two rules. One rule and one principle. One rule is Hund's rule and principle over principle. Already prepare a video about two things and post. So if you will want, you go to the description box and watch my video. Don't worry, we will discuss about that two things. First, about Ober principle. Ober principles says how can we fill up electron in subcell, not orbital. How can we fill up electron in subcells? There are four subcells present: S, P, D, and F. S subcell contain one orbital. P subcell contain three orbital. D subcell contain 5 orbital. F subcell contain 7 orbital. Then we know about Hund's rule. How can we fill up electron in orbital? About Ober principle, how can we fill up electron in subcell? Then in Hund's rule, how can we fill up electron in orbital? Students, listen. S subcell contain one orbital. In one orbital contain maximum 2 electron. P subcell 3 orbital contain 6 electron maximum. First one unpaired electron, then pair this unpaired electron by using one electron. Then D 5 orbital present. First single, then pair. Then in F 7 orbital present and 14 electron. Then finally we know about Hund's rule and Ober principle. And now we do the electronic configuration. How to do electronic configuration? Suppose sodium. Atomic number 11. There are 11 electron present in sodium atom. So how can we write this 11 electron in a single line? After know about Ober principle and Hund's rule, we know. First comes 1s, then 2s, then 2p. First 1s, then 2s, 2p, then 3s, 3p, 3d, then 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 6s. First we fill up electron in 1s subcell, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, then 5s, then 4d, then 5p, then 6s, then 4f. S subcell contains one orbital. In one orbital 2 electron is present. Then in S subcell 2 electron is present. Then in P subcell 6 electron present. Then D subcell 10 electron present. Then F subcell 14 electron present. 7 orbital 14 electron. 5 orbital 10 electron. 3 orbital 6 electron. 1 orbital 2 electron. In this style we do the electronic configuration of element. Students, now we do the electronic configuration of first 30 element from hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron to zinc. 30 element. So first we draw the electronic configuration of hydrogen. Atomic number 1. Electronic configuration 1s1. 1 electron present in hydrogen atom. Okay. Then the diagram: 1 electron. Helium 2, 2 electron present in helium, 1s2. S subshell contain 1 orbital. In 1 orbital, maximum 2 electron is present. For 1 electron, 1 electron present in 1 orbital. Then 2 electron present in 1 orbital for 2 electron. Then lithium, 1s2, 2s1. 2 subshell, 1s2, 2s1. Then beryllium, 1s2, 2s2, 1s2, 2s2. 2 orbital. Then students, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. Then boron, atomic number 5. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Then diagram, 1 subshell, 1 orbital, then p subshell, 3 orbital. 2 electron, then 2 electron, then for p subshell 3 orbital, 1 electron. So 1 electron present. Then in 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. Gas middle element also. The electronic configuration of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. In this style we do the electronic configuration, and in this orbital diagram, in this style we do the orbital diagram of that element. So 10, neon. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Then orbital diagram. For p subshell, 3 orbital is present. S subshell contain S1 orbital contain 2 electron, 1 orbital contain 2 electron. Then p subshell 3 orbital present. In 3 orbital, maximum 6 electron is present. This is first 10 element. This is first 10 element, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Then start 3s2. In this style, students, in this style we do the electronic configuration of first 10 element. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This element also we do the electronic configuration of this element in this style. Then we draw the electronic configuration of argon. 18, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. 2 to 4, then 6, 10, then 2, 12, then 6, 18. Orbital diagram. 1, 1, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 3. 2 electron present, 2 electron present, then 6 electron. First single electron, then pair this single electron. Then 6. First single electron, then pair this unpaired electron. Then students, in this style we calculate the electronic configuration of at least argon. Then students, now we will do the electronic configuration of from 21 elements scandium to 10 to 30 element zinc. First we do the electronic configuration of scandium. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1, 2 to 4, 6, 10, 2, 12, 6, 18 to 21, 21. Then titanium 20, 3D 2, 20, 3D 3. Then chromium. But student, actually I write the electronic configuration of chromium is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d4. This is not the accurate electronic configuration of chromium. Accurate is 1s 2 3p6 then 4s1 3d5, because s subshell contain 1 orbital and d subshell contain 5 orbital. 2 electron present, then 4 electron, 1 2 3 4. These electrons are not fulfilled or not half filled, but these electrons are fulfilled. This orbital is fulfilled. If we transfer one electron to this orbital, if we transfer one electron, then this orbital is filled up and this is one electron. So these are half filled and these are half filled. So this is stable. Fulfill stable, half filled stable. So for this reason we change the electronic configuration 4s1 3d5. Accurate reason, the energy level of 4s2 and 3d4. Energy level. How to calculate energy level of subshell N plus L? 4s. 4 plus S. L value for S, P, D, F. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 plus L value for S subshell 0 equal to 4. Then 4s and 3D. 4s and 3D. 3 plus L value for D subshell is 2 equal to 5. Energy level of 4s is less and energy level of 3D is 5, means high. So for this reason one electron transfer to this and electronic configuration is 4s1 3d5. Then manganese electronic configuration is 4s2 3d5. Then in this type we do the electronic configuration. Then copper 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d9. Actually I write the electronic configuration of copper is this, but actually electronic configuration of copper is not this. From this to this right, but 4s2 3d9, this is not accurate. Why? I write 4s2 3d9. In S subshell 2 orbital is present, 2 electron is present, then D orbital. Accurate in case of chromium, when which case we take in copper, we also take that case. 5 orbital is present, then 9 electron. 4s2 3d9. First 1 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These electron which are filled up in this orbital are not fulfilled or half filled, but these are half filled. When we transfer one electron to this is fulfilled and this is half filled. In half filled also this is stable, and in fulfilled this is also stable.
Start.
Then electronic configuration of copper is 4s1 3d10. Then zinc 4s2 3d10. Student, these are all about electronic configuration and how to do electronic configuration from element 1 hydrogen to element zinc 30. So if you gain some idea, after watch my video, please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and comment me about electronic configuration. Any doubt you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you.